glad that we picked up them special bonfire you.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Can we open it?
Cream-covered ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite dreams. When the
What are you doing in there? How are you feeling, dear?
Fine. How are you feeling, dear?
Fine.
cream-covered ponies and crisp apple strudels,
What?
doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things.
You okay in there?